Today, our lessons focus chapter 5 about troubleshooting for grade 11. Roma question number 1. Say true or false. Number 1. BIOS stand for Binary Integrated Operating System. Question number 2. Dust and vacuum cleaner is an example of preventive maintenance against dust. Question number 3. A process that transferring file from computer system to external device called troubleshooting. Question number 4. The primary purpose of power on self-test to check hardware part before booting. Question number 5. Reduced downtime of hardware is a key benefit of preventive maintenance. Question number 6. Error X indicates that as the system does know now which driver to install. Question number 7. The system log record event related to program installed on the systems. Question number 8. CMOS are a sound emitted the computer during post. Question number 9. The primary purpose of power on self-test to check hardware part before pairing. Question number 10. Most of computer emit one pip to indicate that the system is booting properly. Roma number 2 choose the correct answers from the given alternative. Question 1. If power supply may be bad, the pip code is dash. A. 1 long, 2 pip. B. No pip. C. A steady, long pip. D. A steady, short pip. 1. If the power supply has gain bad, the pip code is A. 1 long, 2 pip. B. No pip. C. Steady, long pip. D. Steady, short pip. 1. If RAM problem occurred, the pip code is dash. A. Long, continuous pip. B. 1 long, 2 pip. C. Steady, long pip. D. Steady, short pip. 1. If video card failure happen, the pip code is dash. A. Long continuous pip. B. 1 long, 2 pip. C. Steady, long pip. D. Steady, short pip. 1. If power supply no turned on, the pip code is dash. No long, 2 pip. B. No pip. C. Steady, long pip. D. Steady, short pip. 1. What is the primary purpose of power on self-test? A. To load the operating system. B. To check hardware components before booting. C. To improving internet speed. D. To configure user setting. 1. Which of the following is not tested during the pause? A. RAM. B. Mouse. C. Printer. D. Keyboard. 1. If computer power on but does not display anything, what should you check first? A. To display the resolution setting. B. Check the connection between monitors and system unity. C. The operating system update. D. The browser cache. 1. If power supply no turned on, the pip code is dash. 1 long, 2 pip. B. No pip. C. Steady and long pip. D. Steady, short pip. The basic preventive maintenance for dust is called A. Microfibers. B. Color cleaners. C and B. D. None. 21. What is the purpose of window performance monitor in diagnostic tools? A. To give key information. B. Deep looking information. C. Deep looking about antivirus. D. All. 22. Systematical method that used to resolve problem from computer system codage. A. Backup. B. Troubleshooting. C. A. D. None. 27. In computer system, if the times and date is not working functionally, this problem is relative stage. A. CMOS. B. POST. C. BIOS. D. All. Which one is to manage data flow between operating system and attached device? A. CMOS. B. POST. C. BIOS. D. All. Short answers. What is CMOS stand for? Question 26. What is POST stand for? 27. What is BIOS stand for? 28. Write some examples of antivirus of computers. 29. Write some steps of hardware troubleshooting. 30. What's the difference between checkpost and a CMOS battery? 31. Write two types of diagnostic tools. 32. Define backup. 33. Write about computer virus. 34. How can we protect computer device from electric power? 35. Write about device manager. 36. What is the difference between red X, triangular yellow with exclamation mark, and the yellow with question in operating flag? Our lessons interesting questions. For any comment, say something and write something about our journey. Bye bye.